Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore Snapchat streak for free. So I log into my account and my profile of Snapchat and just tap on the top right corner of gear icon and scroll down in the last to find support and feedback. So just tap on it, free lost snap streak. So just how do I restore my snap streak? So here he is write an article how you will restore your Snapchat. So if it is helpful and resolve your issues, so if it not respond on your problem, so you will be moved back and you will find a support chat on Snapchat. So you may the second one option snap streaks and just tap on this Android and tap to continue. So it will be open in browser option. So again you will be just tap on the last and it is helpful or not, so you will just tap on no. So after you clicking no, it will be give them option to write your issue and submit it, and it will be respond to you in 24 hours feedback. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.